Today we are going to take a look at our room plan. This overview contains some of the most important functions. We can see the room bookings sorted according to days. For a better differentiation, rooms can be marked with a color background via the settings in the room database. In the column room, the rooms are being shown with the number of beds in brackets. Furthermore, additional beds in the room which are allowed are displayed with the plus symbol behind the number of beds. In our example, the room 110 has 3 beds in general, but it is possible to add an additional bed to the room. If the column bed is empty, one row refers to an entire room. That happens when the room is completely free or has been booked by one guest for the whole shown period. Otherwise, if the column bed is filled with the bed number, this row then refers to this very bed. If an asterisk can be seen next to the bed number, it then is an overbooked room. A warning is displayed. This additional bed is displayed with a grey background on the other days, so it can be recognized as not available.